heart gives out, nothing better than all my doubts. I'll sit alone with all my thoughts, the kid isolated. I'll smoke till my voice is gone, and hopefully it won't be long. I'll walk alone the long way out, just have me cremated. I fear nothing but dying. I fear my own downfall. I fear nothing but dying. I fear nothing at all. Mouthing off about the world, how it goes, it's come unfurled. All these problems in the world, can't see any greatness. Sit at home and play guitar, hope these songs will get me far, or maybe get me a shiny car. I'll make you all hate this. My mind's always a fucking mess, always under some new stress. This chaos is the fucking best. I'm manic and tired. A simple life is all I need, a better tomorrow waiting for me. I want to see the world's beauty before I expire. I fear nothing but dying. I fear nothing at all. I fear nothing but dying. I fear my own downfall. I fear nothing but dying. I fear my own downfall.